I started Tokki because I really believe in the magic of gifting. A truly thoughtful gift has the power to make us feel seen. It can be such a bridge of empathy and really inspire connection. That's why our mission at Tokki is to spark joy by making gifting unforgettable. Tokki makes your gifts more meaningful by enabling you to attach personalized photos and videos to your gift, right from your camera phone. No downloads, no scissors, no tape. It's so simple. It's really true that a picture is worth 1,000 words. The Tokki band isn't just the gift message. The magnetic mesh band can also transform any piece of paper or cloth into gift wrap, from newsprint to an old scarf. But you can also choose from our beautiful limited edition 100% Tokki wraps, which are made right here in the United States. 10% of profits from each print go to a nonprofit working to save our planet. Every detail about Tokki is designed to make regifting fun. I love gifting Tokkis to new parents so they can use it to wrap all of their child's gifts every year as they grow up. From birthdays to holidays to graduations, every celebration. Then they can look back at all the years of gifting because they have it all saved in their digital Tokki albums. I love it when a child gets excited to see their print because they know that something amazing is inside just for them. I recently wrapped a gift for my friend in a Tokki, and she couldn't wait to regift it to her sister. Now we're both hoping that it makes its way to Kevin Bacon to see if we really are only 6 degrees of separation away. It's just like sisterhood of the traveling gift wrap. Most people don't realize that so much of gift wrap and greeting cards can't be recycled because they're too coated, too color saturated, or too sparkly. Recycling in general is becoming challenged these days because we're doing such a poor job sorting. Did you know every year Americans go through about 5 billion yards of gift wrap, or enough to circle the earth 116 times? My dream is to help make reuse more fun and engaging. There's more beauty and connection when you share on and on. But really the best part for me is the way that my girlfriend's face lit up when she opened her Tokki photo message, and there we were from our hike last year. That's really everything.